Hey guys, I want to check in here today. So AC is sometimes really straightforward, simply low charge or a compressor clutch not engaging. This one was a little different. Here's an AC pressure switch, pretty simple. It lives right here. This switch failed, so the compressor is or the computer controlling the HVAC system is not aware of what pressure is in there. So either if pressure is too high, or usually it's empty. It doesn't want to run the system and damage the expensive compressor, which you'll see is right down here. So what we can do there is relatively straightforward diagnosis here. So what we're going to do is we're going to end up going, there's blue. So we've got three wires. First we're going to check and make sure that we have good voltage, like supply side voltage. There you go, 4.99, so 5 volts, we're good there. And then we've also verified our ground there, knowing that we have the right voltage. And we're gonna go to the signal. So I'm on the signal wire, and there's the pressure in voltage, and then the computer converts that voltage to an actual pressure reading via a calibration table. So 2.2. Get these out of here. So basically 2.2, if you see this, basically if we go on that top, 2.2 volts is going to put us out, let's say somewhere around, give or take about 200 psi. And if we want to know what the computer's thinking, we can use a scan tool, and then we can actually sit there and there you go, 189. So this AC system would not turn the compressor on until we fixed that pressure switch and it was receiving an accurate refrigerant vapor pressure reading. So thank you very much. Happy AC season. Stay cool. We'll see you out there on the road.